Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Pepe. We're going to be discussing the overall price analysis today for May 14th, and we're going to be talking about what is most likely going to occur in the immediate short term. Happy Mother's Day to everyone's mothers around the world. I hope you guys all have a great time with your moms and, show them love because, mothers are really, really important. Kind of get away from these charts and, really start paying attention to a little bit more to things that are more important in life rather than just quick price charts and, of course, money. But now let's get right into Pepe's update. You guys can see Pepe, on Sunday today, it is still trading at that 189 cents mark, which is a really nice sign. And I will tell you why that is the case. We still have 5 zeros in front of the price, up 3.2% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also up 2.8% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, the market cap is approaching the $800 million market valuation, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 444.7 million. So right off the bat, the buying pressure has decreased from yesterday. Yesterday we were looking at about $1 billion market, trading volume for Pepe itself across the board, wherever it's listed. That includes, Uniswap along with, all the centralized exchanges, but that has decreased. So that's one pointer that we can point out to. But before we get into the charts, let's look at Etherscan. If we're looking at Etherscan, you guys can see 112,000 wallets. So once again, an increase happening, and this could be, other people that sold Pepe re-entering, but also there's a lot of new money flowing into Pepe as well. As I've told you guys, it is the most searched cryptocurrency right now. Everyone wants to get their hands on Pepe, and even till now, even after it being listed on so many exchanges, I have comments coming in onto my channel. How do I buy Pepe? Where do I get Pepe from? And that goes to show there's new money, new retail interest that have never picked up cryptocurrency that wants to get their hands on Pepe, and that shows the interest level that's really building up in Pepe right now. But of course, now we're going to focus on the price, see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. But as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at its market cap, 782 million, and we've been fluctuating between that and $900 million. I even saw that happen, I think, yesterday. But we've been fluctuating around there. But if we zoom out and look into it a little further, I want to really show you guys what's happening. So as you guys know, in yesterday's update, I said, this is a resistance that, will come in our way, when we're going towards the upside, and that could stop the price of Pepe really breaking out towards the upside. And you guys cannot make this up. Yesterday we did go all the way up to that 2095 cents mark, but look, we got stopped out at that level of resistance. Let me draw it out, and so you guys can get a better picture as to what I'm really getting at. So you guys can see this right here is a resistance built up for Pepe, and we literally are having a hard time breaking out of this level of resistance. But I don't think that's anything to worry about. Then that's going to be organic, and we would not have a problem breaking out of here if we do have a little bit more push towards the upside. You guys can see we are forming another green candle right now, so potentially could this be the time where we finally break out of this level of resistance? Possibly, because if we break out of this level of resistance, guys, I could see Pepe reclaiming that $1 billion market valuation, and I do believe that will trigger a lot of FOMO within the price of Pepe. People might start thinking, okay, what, this could be the next rally up towards the upside, breaking towards all-time highs, and that could definitely be on the table, especially if we break out of that level of resistance. We are having a little bit of a hard time doing so, but my eyes are on this level of resistance for Pepe. Remember, this project has not been listed on the markets for too long, so we can't really do too much technical analysis on here. We could do it for the time being, of course, since it has been listed, and as of now that has been playing out, as you guys can see for yourself as well. We are facing that resistance right now. But with that said, if you picked it up when everyone was selling and there was massive bloodbath across the board, you are almost up right now 86% in a matter of 2 days, guys. In a matter of 48 hours, you are up right now 100% if you picked up some Pepe around that range, and that was around that $400 million market valuation. So that goes to show interest in these projects is always there. Remember, Coinbase, I think Coinbase originally, when a Shiba Inu came out, they didn't originally list it right off the bat. Robinhood and Coinbase happened almost at the same time, and that still has not happened for Pepe. But you can name all the major other exchanges, they have already listed Pepe. So that goes to show how much volume, how many people have access to this. This really is bigger than a lot of people really think. And some people still come and say, this cannot take over Shiba Inu. But I'm sorry to say, guys, I really do believe Shiba Inu is at a risk to be flipped by Pepe, considering the overall momentum this project really is showing right now. But with that said, if you pick some Pepe up, previously, before even this correction, like way down here, and you're sitting at some massive profits, guys, I please would suggest you guys to lock some profits. And the opportunities are endless. You can go look in cryptocurrency markets, allocate your gains to Bitcoin, Ethereum, but lock those profits in, because there's still so many massive whales that have not taken profits. So I would strongly suggest you guys to lock in those profits while you can. But going back to Bitcoin, one thing Bitcoin is doing right now is Bitcoin is retesting the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, and that is a beautiful sign for the entire markets, which is causing altcoins to start going back into the green. But BTC dominance this time around is picking back up, which could mean altcoins once again are going to lag behind Bitcoin. But for Pepe specifically, I forgot to mention, we are approaching a 1 month anniversary for this coin launch. Can you believe it, guys? We're almost approaching that, and that will be this Tuesday on May 17th. That will mark 1 month for Pepe, and who knows what is going to happen then. Maybe they're going to come up with an announcement. Again, this is just pure speculation. Maybe they're going to come up with an announcement. Maybe Coinbase is going to come out and say, hey, 1 month anniversary, here we are listing Pepe, and that I think is going to literally make things go crazy. But of course, this is just my own personal opinion, pure speculation. Of course, we will find out as time goes by. But I'm really liking what I'm seeing right now. If Pepe breaks out of this level of resistance, guys, I really am expecting some fireworks to start for Pepe, and we could be going above $1 billion market valuation quite fast. Now, a lot of people think, and of course, the main target at the end of the day is to come knocking on the door for Shiba Inu. And I really, really strongly believe with the overall momentum, the signs that we're seeing, that is definitely possible for Pepe. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.